है करोड़ों दफा स्वागतम 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 आपके आने का स्वागतम आने का स्वागतम है करोड़ों दफा स्वागतम स्वागतम आप आए तो दिल की गली खिल गई दिव्य दर्शन हुई हमको खुशी मिल गई आप आए तो दिल की गली खिल गई दिव्य दर्शन हुई हमको खुशी मिल गई आप आए यहाँ मेहरबानी करम स्वागतम 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 आपके आने का स्वागतम आने का स्वागतम है करोड़ों दफा स्वागतम स्वागतम यूं लगा मानो महफिल चहकने लगा यूं लगा मानो गुलकंद घुलने लगा आप आए यहाँ मेहरबानी करम स्वागतम 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 पगे आने का स्वागतम आने का स्वागतम है करोड़ों दफा स्वागतम स्वागतम
Deepak sir and Ankit sir for lighting diya. Big hand for sir.
मासार दे तो सरगो सजाने आजा मेरे मासार दे तो सरगो सजाने आजा आज के उत्सव में बीड़ा को बजाने आजा कमल के आसन पे मैया तेरा ही बसेरा है तेरे ही ज्ञान के बिन दिखता नहीं सवेरा है ज्ञान के मंदिर में हो ज्ञान के मंदिर में नवजाती जगाने आजा आज के उत्सव में बीड़ा को बजाने आजा आज के उत्सव में बीड़ा को बजाने आजा
हवा मिल गई आप आए सर यूं लगा आप आए सर यूं लगा तकलीफ को दुआ मिल गई
Now I would like to call Mr. Prem sir. Down to the
Good morning. Good morning to all of you. So guys, first of all, I would like to wish you all, my respected teachers and dear students, Happy New Year 2021. I do know that why today we have gathered here. There is no need to tell that we are going to celebrate this New Year function, which is gonna be one of the best functions of this year. You know that last year we also celebrated this festival, and once again we are celebrating this New Year. You know that just 2020 has passed, and there are many things which was good, many things happened which was not good. You know that in March, no need to tell, coronavirus came, everything got stopped, our institute, and but you know that there is something good in bad also. What we got, we must think about the positive. Don't try to think negative. You know that it was lockdown, every vehicles was stopped, every factories were closed. So what could happen here? You know that our nature got cleaned. which was, that pollution was going on, but God has created this world. He has a lot of things to do. He gives us according to Him. That this last year the virus came, so our nature got cleaned. It was good, but many things was not good. Now I want to tell that this year always try to do something new. Make your everyday memorable, so that you can remember each and every moment of this year. The time comes, goes, everything is going on, but we must also progress day by day. We must not be sitting at the same position each and every day. We must try to do something new every day, which must be memorable for all of us. That you are here. Last time there are some students, they are not here. So at present you are the part of. Maybe you will get the chance next year to celebrate. Maybe you will be any other place. You will not get the chance. But if you are here, that why these festivals comes in our life. Why these moments comes in our life. This is a chance to show our talent. Everyone is talented. Just they need to get the stage. If you are going to get a good stage, definitely you are going to show your talent. That don't think that I'm not talented. I don't have any type of talent. No one becomes successful in a one day, in a one night. But every day, every night, if you are going to do something new towards your aim, towards your goal, what is your aim? You must make a plan. You must set a goal each and every day. I will complete definitely by all this. I will go any length to complete my goal. I will make this day memorable, this moment memorable. Definitely I will do something new. So you can. And I'm telling you that here you are learning English. You must have any idea to present. No need to call. If someone will call me, I will come, I will speak. Don't wait for anyone. No one is going to call you. You will have to come. You will have to come here for showing your talent. What do you think that if someone will give me chance? You should take the chance. You should always try to be first each and every area. So without wasting much time, it's time to start our program. And I would like to stop myself here. So thanks to all of you for appreciating me with great attention. Enjoy this day.
All of you, I wanna say some about mother. Shall we start now? Yes. It is truly sad. God could not be everywhere, so He made mother. My mother name is Mrs. Madhuri Jaswal. She is a good housewife. She is very most important person in my life. She is the base of my life. My mother is my best friend. I share everything with my mother. We cannot imagine our existence without our mother. My mother always tried to happy and try to fulfill my all desires. A mother is our first teacher. She
dear dad, my dear mother.
स्त्री कभी नहीं हारती, उसे हराया जाता है। स्त्री कभी हारती नहीं, उसे हराया जाता है। समाज क्या कहेगा यह कहकर उसे डराया जाता है।